Hey, how we doing, guys? So today I have this great scooter, super fast. We're looking at 28 miles an hour, about 45 kilometers. We talk about 45 kilometers an hour. This thing is super fast. 3 gears, LED signals left and right. You have the seat if you want to use it. For me, it's a lot of fun. Use to stand up and much more. I'll show you that right now. Guys, this is mediaboxentlab.com, and today we got this great scooter. I say like what, 45 kilometers an hour, 3 gears. Now this one has a powerful motor, 800 watts, so will allow me to go in a hill up to like 30 degrees. Now the wheels are inflated wheels, so give you a good suspension. They are 10 inches. Then we can see here it also has a double suspension here, so this is real nice, so give you a soft ride. Easy to take it apart, as you saw down in the beginning. Real nice. It has the seat, so if you want to use the seat, that's great too. It's pretty simple. You can set the height of the front, and also you can set the height of the seat, or if you want you can remove it if you feel like it. One thing I like is LEDs right in the bottom, real cool. It has a signal, so if I press this way, we have the signal on this side or the signal right the other side. Now right in the front, pretty simple. It's nice because it has the key, so put the key on and press right there, and then to start you need to press the power here. When you start the power, what you get, the kilometers an hour, gear 1, how many kilometers you've been riding, in the battery. Now here the amp, you change the gear, so the gear is about, I will say like 15 kilometers the first gear, second gear maybe about 25, and then the third gear is at the full power. Right, and that's it. And then from here you press here, and that's the gear. The plow, they have to dual disc, right, the brakes. Now from this side we can turn on and off the light, the horn, left and right. Now we can look in here. Also nice suspensions, LED lights over here. We have the light in the back, and this is double disc suspension, and the one in the front. We have a nice also light right in the front. They keep a lot of light. I will show you later on what it looks like at night. But real nice and fast. I want to show you the power of the scooter. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to sit here and pay attention to the wheel, so you have to be careful, and I go so fast when you start. I'm going to go full throttle now, and watch this. Unbelievable fast. You saw that how the wheel pick up, because I just went like a full power. And again, you can ride it this way if you feel like it, or you can go and just sit on it and have a nice enjoy it, like a motorcycle type. So I think it's a great scooter. I love the speed. All right. So to get one of those scooters right now for you and enjoy the winter and the summer like me, grab the link right below this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.